Hi students, in this video we are going to go for exercise 7, which is with different adjustments. Let us just observe the question. Aarti, Bharti and Hema are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2:1. That's their profit sharing ratio. Then assets they have given and liabilities they have given. So this is related to reserve fund and capital for us to concentrate while going for the calculation of the concerned deceased partner. Who's been deceased here in the sense it is Bharati on 1st June. So Bharati has been alive only for 2 months for the concerned financial year. So according to the deed, the said partnership, her executors are entitled to be paid. So this is informed that the agreement tells that the executors are going to receive the following adjustments. The capital to her credit, we have to pay her capital that is going to be credited at the time of her death, and interest thereon at 10% per annum. So interest on capital is quite new. We are going to see in this comparing to the previous video. Then her proportionate share of reserve fund. See here the instruction is given reserve fund capitals we need to take, whether the instruction is given or not. Be very clear. Again I'm repeating it. Reserve fund capital and profit and loss account of the concerned deceased partner to be posted on the opposite direction. Next, her share of profits for the intervening period. Intervening period will be based on sales during that period, which are calculated as 1 lakh. The rate of profit during past 3 years had been 10% on sales. The sales value they have given here that the profit is going to be for 3 years is 10%, and on this profit for the intervening period, for that period she is going to get a share. This is called profit and loss suspense account, the accrued profit. This calculation we are going to see under the working note. Then her share in the goodwill to be calculated by taking twice the amount of the average profit. So twice in the sense it is 2 years purchase of the last 3 years less 20%. So I have underlined whichever is different from the sums which we are going ahead comparing to the previous. Then the profits of the previous years are given below. Then the investment was sold for 16,200 and her executors were paid on. This is the last instruction which is given, like the investments were also sold, but what we are going to do here, comparing to the book value of the investment and see what the share is going to be given to the concerned deceased partner Bharati here. So they have asked us to prepare the Bharati's executors account. It is not Bharati's capital account, it is executors account. As I said, if they ask us to prepare Bharati's executors account, how the calculation is going to change, how we are going to take the methods and follow the steps. So let me minimize it. Now observe, going for the solution, they have asked us to prepare executors account of Bharati. So I'm going to prepare Bharati's executors account as a heading. Then first step is, see I said when partner's capital account is not prepared, okay, we are going to write by Bharati's capital. In case of capital account we used to mention as by balance brought down, but here it is going to be Bharati's capital. It is not executor's capital, it is Bharati's capital. So we are going to write by Bharati's capital account. Okay, from there only we are going to post it on. So what is the amount of Bharati here? 12,000. Next, apart from that, we have the share of reserve. So it's going to be by reserve fund, and the calculation of that 12,000 into the share of Bharati is 2/6. Observe in the question It's given as 3:2:1. So 2 is related to Bharati. So 2/6. So I get 4,000 as reserve fund. That is a share of Bharati's. Then we have the third adjustment related to by profit or loss, suspense account. Here we are going to calculate and show how actually the value is using the working note. So let me leave it. Then by goodwill account. So when goodwill we are going to go for the calculation. Then again interest on capital. So we have by interest on capital, the share of interest on capital. So here I'm going to take the capital is going to be 12,000 into, what was the rate given in the question? 10% per annum. It is per annum, but she was alive only for 2 months. So 10% into 2 out of 12 months. So we're going to check what actually the value we are going to get here. So the interest on capital value is 200. Next, we have the investments were sold for 16,200. So there is a profit. So share of profit on sale of the investment. Sale of investment. So this we are going to check using the working note. Now let us go for the working note. First, calculation. Here we are going to go for the goodwill. So it's easy for us to do. Let me just follow the step of goodwill. You can take anything, but you have to just mention which working note we are going to do. So I'm going to take the option D as first, goodwill calculation. Now what is the year given? 2014 and 15, and the value is 8,200. Then 2015 and 16, the value is 4,000. Then 2016 and 17, the value is 9,800. So the total profit for 3 years is 22,000. Now we are going to find out the average profit. Now moving on to the average profit, the formula is total profit divided by number of years. So it's going to be 22,000 divided by how many number of years? It is for 3 years. So we have 3 years of profit. So we get the answer when it is divided by 3. 22,000 divided by 3. We get 7,333 as average profit, and here they have given goodwill is going to be less 20% on the average profit, the number of years of purchase. So we're going to take 7,333.33 into twice a year, so 2 years. So we get the answer as, let's check, 7,333 into 2, so 14,666. So this will be a round off of 67. So on this we have to take less 20%. They have given us less 20%. So let's check what actually is the value we get. So when I calculate the goodwill of the firm on 14,667 less 20%, I get 11,734. So 11,734 is going to be the goodwill of the firm, which we found. This 11,734 is going to be taken here for the calculation and find out what is the share of the concerned partner, 2/6. So it is 3,911. So 3,911 is going to be the goodwill share. This is how we have to do. Just check up first, because here it is quite different. First we need to find out what is the total profit, then average profit, and using the average profit we need to find out the goodwill, but here they have given less 20% on this. So the actual goodwill after minusing at 20%, at less 20%, is 11,734. And the last 3 years profit. So the share of the concerned partner Bharati is receiving 3,911. So goodwill is over. Next we are going to take C, that is adjustment C. Which is related to accrued profit. How we are going to calculate this? They have asked us to calculate based on the sales during that period, which were calculated as 1 lakh. The rate of profit during past 3 years had been 10% on sales. So we are going to take based on the sales. So accrued profit we are going to calculate here now. It's going to be based on sales value. So 1 lakh into 1 lakh into 10%. So what is the value we get? 1 lakh into 10%, 10,000. So this 10,000, on this 10,000 we are going to calculate what is the share. So it is 10,000 into, here we are not going to take the period because here it is clearly stated in the question itself, intervening period. For that concerned period the profit is on sales 10%, so we can take directly only the share. So as I said, main thing is for accrued profit we use the number of month which was alive and the share, but for this concerned question exercise we are not going to take it because it is for the intervening period they have clearly stated. So we are just going to calculate. This is 3,333. So the accrued profit share is going to be 3,333. So we have completed the step-by-step calculations. The left out part, the third, we have option E as profit on sale, share of profit. So profit on sale of investment, 16,200 is the market price, but the book value of that is 13,250. So what is the difference we get? Actual book value is 13,250, but it is going to be, that is, the market price is greater than the book value. So 16,200 minus 13,250 gives us 2,950 is a profit. So profit on sale of investment is 2,950. Observe. So this value is what we are going to take up for the calculation. So on 2,950, we need to find out what is his share which he gets. So 2,950 into 2 by 6, it is 983. So 983 is going to be the profit on sale of investment for Bharati. Let me make it clearly visible, giving a space. See, as I'm doing it, I'm just entering it without leaving a line space. So now it is visible for you people clearly. Now just observe. Opening capital is taken, reserve fund is taken, share of accrued profit, share of goodwill. See, it's only share of, okay? Interest on capital for 2 months out of 12. Only for 2 months he was alive. So for 2 months only we have to pay it. Then by share of profit on sale of investment, his share of profit on sale of investment is 983. Now we are going to check out what actually is the value to be paid. The total $24,427. Observe here, which is given in the question. It's clear, 24,427. This is the answer which we get. So what they have given for the instruction, have they given any instruction that it is being paid? Yes, observe, her executors were paid on. So how to find out whether it is cash or bank? So in that case, just write to cash or bank account. Don't break your head. If you have a confusion, mention both simultaneously and write the value 24,427. That's all. It is being paid. Just observe. Whenever the question is paid off, immediately, this is how we are supposed to do the method. So here it is Bharati's executors account directly. So directly we are taking, see, only this will change. The heading will change. Instead of by balance brought down, we're going to write concerned deceased partner capital account. So here the partner deceased is Bharati. Just check the steps how it is being done. And let us go for the working note. See, you can take up any working note first calculation, but see that you mention the exact adjustment number. Here D is the option. So I've taken goodwill first. So I've mentioned here as D. And next we had been for accrued profit. So I have gone for C. Then we have taken up the last adjustment. So it is written as E. So mention the options properly. So just observe. First, when you have a goodwill, that is for goodwill calculation, take the year, take the value, find the total profit, Then the average profit is always total profit divided by number of years. A small change in the previous video, the formula by mistake, instead of that division symbol, it is written as x. It is by mistake, so you have to just make a change. Sorry for the inconvenience that is took place. It was by mistake. It was actually, they say error omitted completely. So 22,000 divided by how many years? 1, 2, 3. 3 years we are taking, so divided by 3. Always average profit, how many number of years we are taking up, the same number of years to be taken for denomination, that is for division. Then goodwill of the firm is average profit into number of years of purchase. This is always a formula. But in this question, they have given we have to take less 20%. So the goodwill of the firm is at less 20%. We receive it as 11,734. On this, we have to calculate the share of the concerned partner. Don't go for the calculation or share year itself. It should be shown only in the concerned calculation of that particular account when you are preparing. Show the shares, that is the share have to be shown in the concerned account in the bracket, so it's easy for you all. You will not do any mistakes. Accrued profit we have calculated based on the sales at 10%. So for that concerned intervention period, 10,000 is the sales. So on the sales, the share we have calculated, and you also have a share on profit on sale of investment. So when they have sold the investment, there is a profit for the company for 2,950. So after calculation of a share, he is receiving 983 on that. This is what we have completed with this.